now we've had a couple of face-to-face meetings. And I hope you saw today, though, that we have a common goal.
No, I agree. Like I said, I feel like I came out of this enlightened. I really feel like I know where you stand on this. And it's a bit disheartening to me. I assumed that all of us together thought that healthcare was a right. I really assumed that. I just thought that was a no-brainer. It was a nothing. And I didn't so I think a lot of people think it is. I think a lot of people out there think it is. And I think when you said that the bait and switch and give them some Medicaid, that's a little bit disheartening to hear that, because giving people access to healthcare doesn't seem like a bait. It seems like maybe it was put together that way to say, hey, let's give them healthcare, then they're not going to want to give it up. Well, guess what? They don't want to give it up.
Yeah.
So
as I was saying to the doctor, having served in the state legislature as well, you're forever looking for those, quote, free dollars. All right? Because you want that's absolutely whether it's as a state legislature and as states, they're always looking for those dollars that are getting promised that come from the feds that are as unencumbered as possible, no strings. Here's the problem, though, folks. It always comes with strings eventually.
Yes,
and
but
it's something
preventive
that
care saves money.
have to pay for these things. I understand. Well, I understand that they are people. But what we then need to do is we need to reprioritize. We got to reprioritize a whole lot of stuff. There is. If you look at just a second. So how we. If you look at the budget, if you look at the federal budget, about a third of it is spent on domestic spending. About a third of it is spent on defense spending. By the way, 2/3 of that is on automatic pilot. I don't even touch that. We deal with about a third of that pie. Right now, interest rates have been artificially held low over the last number of years. We have built up so much debt, what the federal government and Treasury and the Fed has done, all right, is they have traded in long-term debt for short-term debt, which is cheaper. Think about this, if you go and get a 5-year mortgage versus a 30-year mortgage, right? And why have they done that? They've shoved it into shorter-term bonds, is because they can artificially keep low how much we've been paying in interest.